Are you feeling overwhelmed and just can't keep up? The depths of despair you've fallen into are just too much to even attempt to crawl your way out of. Feels like there's no end to the madness and it's too late to change now? I should probably just clean up these scraps, right? Hi, I'm Rabia and I'm the London Craft Girl. On this channel, I like to share elegant and beautiful craft tutorials because the world is just a better place when you made something that wasn't there before. Today, I'm undertaking a long-awaited project and organizing my vinyl and cardboard scraps. I cannot tell you how excited I am to finally be doing this. The drawer I've been keeping my scraps in has been driving me insane, quietly mocking me with just how messy it is and how it gets worse after every project I complete. Here is the plan. Here is everything that you need. It's all linked for you in the description below. I've bought some lovely craft finish folders and I've been very specific about these because I've gone for ones which have 4 rings inside them. Don't want any of that 2-ring binder nonsense. There is nothing worse than having a folder and all your papers peeking at the bottom because they're not being held in properly. Then you will need a pack of these A4 plastic folders and some binder dividers, which I've also bought in this craft finish. Of course, you guys should buy whichever color, whichever finish of folder and divider that suits your style. This is just what I've gone for. So make sure you load up each of your folders with a good number of the plastic wallets and place in a few of the dividers as well, just to separate some of those folders from each other. Okay, we are almost ready to get organizing, but crafters, we're not just going to leave our folders blank now, are we? I am going to cut some adhesive vinyl stickers on my Cricut Maker. I'll do a large one for the front and a small one for the spine, and that way I will know exactly what is in each folder. Remember that when you apply your vinyl sticker onto your board, especially if it's not got a glossy finish but has like a paper cardboard finish like mine do, use an older piece of transfer tape, one that has lost its stick to some degree, or one that is brand new and you have peeled off some fabric a few times so that, you know, it picks up the fibers of the fabric and therefore gets a bit less sticky. And this is just to make sure that you don't tear the paper or card that is on your folder when you apply the weeded vinyl. So if you want the same designs that I'm using, use the link in the description below and head over to Design Space where you will find them all. And that is exactly what I'm going to do now and get my folders all nice and labeled up. So now we have lovely labeled folders, one for adhesive vinyl, and I will also keep my spare bits of transfer tape in there, one for iron-on and cardstock. The Design Space project also has templates for infusible ink and foil, and if there's anything that I've forgotten about and missed, just let me know in the comments below and I will update the project for you guys. All we have to do now is sort through all of our scraps, put them in piles into different categories for like cardstock and iron-on and adhesive vinyl. Before you start loading them into your folders, I would suggest grabbing a hole punch and punching a little hole out of each color and then sticking that onto your folder divider. That way you know exactly which color is in that folder and where to find it. Honestly, I am so excited to come into the craft room now and get on with some new projects. That weight of the scraps from every additional project that I had been doing, adding to the horrible mess in that scraps drawer, has been lifted and it is well and truly blissful. Let me know if you try this way of organising, and as ever, I love to see your pictures, so please tag me on Instagram at LondonCraftGirl. If you're in the mood now to get crafting, check out this playlist of my most popular crafting tutorials. I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, happy crafting!